徛台湾看世界，台湾时间今仔日透早1点，美国众议院议长麦卡锡甲总统蔡英文伫加州雷根图书馆见面。进前麦卡锡伫采访通知顶就直接称呼蔡总统是台湾总统，两人简单公开会面了后，这个会谈就无搁公开啊，搁有将近20位跨党派国会议员参加。后来两人作为公开发表谈话，蔡总统表示讲，大家坚定支持和台湾人的了解到，咱并无被孤立，嘛无孤单。总统嘛引用论语，敌不过必有邻。而且蔡总统这次出访，过境美国嘛，创下40多年来台湾现任的元首伫美国最高层级的接待，来看这场世纪会面。
为黑色小火车行落来，总统蔡英文由委员人员陪伴伫咧身躯边，甲美国众议议长麦卡锡见面，心情真好。两人面会见证台美关系各有新进展。
Their presence and unwavering support reassure the people of Taiwan that we are not isolated and we are not alone.
当下麦卡锡会谈结束，蔡英文总统发表演说，感谢美国朋友给支持赞声。议长麦卡锡嘛俄罗现主时台美关系真密，蔡总统功劳上大。
I believe our bond is stronger now than at any time or point in my lifetime. And of course, President Tsai is a great champion of that bond.
The peace that we have maintained and the democracy which have worked hard to build are facing unprecedented challenges. We once again find ourselves in a world where democracy is under threat, and the urgency of keeping the beacon of freedom shining cannot be understated.
要和民主世界盟友共同守护自由。这摆蔡总统和麦卡锡选伫咧雷根图书馆面会，雷根任内推动6项保证，和国会通过台湾关系法，是台美关系紧密。
Believe, which President Reagan championed, that to preserve peace, we must be strong. I would like to add that we are stronger when we are together.
自由需要捍卫，嘛需要争取。蔡总统重申政府维护台海和平决心，同时嘛感谢美国国会提出的各项法案，和台美关系更加密。
There is saying in the Confucian Analects that is, one who is virtuous will not stand alone.
总统蔡英文和美国政坛第3个人公开发表谈话，是40多年来台湾现任元首伫咧美国最高层级接待，嘛互大家看到台湾的自由之路袂孤单，有济民主国家陪伴咱行。
Hello， 大家好，我是乃瑜，要教给大家2个任务。第一个，华视新闻的脸书专页，你按赞了吗？还有华视新闻的 YouTube 频道，赶紧订阅起来，还要记得按赞，开启小铃铛哦。